Welcome again to my channel. Our channel is Ego Digital Hub in YouTube, so you can subscribe this channel, you can like, you can comment for more and more training series. So today I'm going to present about the forex. The forex, in short, is the short term of foreign currency exchange. So forex is a short term of foreign currency exchange. Foreign currency exchange is the bank trading businesses. So in forex, bank is like a shop. In the context of forex, bank is like a shop. In the shop, we find different products. Those products, they need customers who buy those products. But in bank, we need those who sell or buy money. So in the banks, we have depositors and we have withdrawals. Kwa benki tunakuwa na wale wanaoweka fedha na wale wanaotoa fedha. Kwa hiyo tukisema benki ni duka, basi bidhaa iliyoko mle ni fedha. Kwa hiyo what is traded in forex is money. So tunakuja kuifanya forex kwa kupitia watu tunaoita madalali, ambao hawa wanatuwezesha ku access market. Sasa brokers wamegawanyika. Brokers wapo wa aina mbili, ambapo tuna mabrokers ambao ni CFD na brokers ambao ni ECN. Wapo aina tofauti, lakini nimewakategorize into two groups. Nadhani kuna video ambayo inawaelezea. So huyu ni ECN broker ambaye yeye anatoa ofa ya mashindano ya kila mwezi kwa washindi 30 watakaoweza kukuza akaunti ya $2,500 mpaka kuanzia $8,000 na kuendelea mbele, ambavyo atakuwa hajasababisha risk ya average risk ya less than 5%. Kwa mshindi wa kwanza anapata kiasi fulani, mshindi wa pili mpaka washindi 30. So unaweza ukaregister kwa ajili ya kutrade. Then in financial market, as I told you, that what is found in the shop of bank is money. There is a disclaimer of trading or financial market disclaimer, au kanusho la financial market. Kanusho la financial market means that don't trade money which you are not able to use. Kwamba fedha utakao anza kutrade, hakikisha kwamba una uwezo wa kuipoteza, usiathirike kwa maisha ya kawaida unayoishi. Then this video intended for educational purpose, not otherwise. Then, as I told you, that in bank we trade money. So foreign currency exchange, the short of it is forex. So forex is stand for foreign exchange. In forex, we trade two currencies. So currencies are quoted in two pairs. So we have two pairs which is separated by using slash. So we have a first currency before slash and we have second currency after slash. Then this first currency is buying, the second currency is selling. And in forex, bank exchange money, goods, commodities, etc. And we have 4 sessions. We have London session, we have New York session, we have Sydney session, and we have Tokyo session or Asian session. Kwa hizi ni session tofauti tofauti ambapo benki zinapokezana kibiashara, kwa sababu muda kidunia huwa unatofautiana. Kuna sehemu ambapo sasa hivi ni asubuhi, kuna sehemu ambapo sasa hivi ni usiku. Kwa hiyo sasa kupitia utofauti wa muda ndio tunakuja kupata session tofauti. Session inayoanza ni session ya Sydney ya New Zealand na Australia, ambayo yenyewe inaanza saa 5 usiku mpaka saa 1 ya asubuhi. Then kunakuwa na overlap ya Tokyo session. Tokyo session inaanzia saa 7 usiku mpaka saa 3 asubuhi. Baada ya saa 3, kabla ya saa 3 haijafika, kuna gap time ambao ni saa 2:30 mpaka saa 3 kamili, ambapo hapo tunakuja kuipata London session ya kuanzia saa 3 kamili mpaka saa 11 jioni. Then kunakuwa na overlap ya New York session ambayo inaanzia saa 8 kamili mpaka saa 4 usiku. Kwa hizo ni session za bank zinavyokuwa zinapokezana kibiashara kwa nyakati tofauti kulingana na muda unavyotofautiana, kwamba huku ni usiku, huku ni mchana. Huku ni asubuhi, depositors, customers wameenda kudeposit hela. Huku ni mchana ambapo withdraw wameenda kuwithdraw hela. Kwa ule muda na wale wateja ambao wamewekeza zile pesa, baadaye benki itafunga biashara. Ikifunga biashara lazima ifanye biashara na benki nyingine, ambao hiyo benki inaenda kuhudumia wateja wake baadaye. Kwa hiyo inapewa fedha kwa makubaliano ya interest fulani. Then kuna we have amount that is a daily turnover of foreign currency exchange, where in a forex market we have $5 trillion, which is a daily turnover of foreign currency exchange. Daily turnover of forex per day is more than $5 trillion compared to other market. As I told you that in forex we quote currency in 2 pairs. We have first currency and the second currency. The first currency before slash is the quote currency, and the second one is, the first one is basic currency, the second one is quote currency. So the quote currency is buying, and the basic currency is buying, and the quote currency is selling. Then you can see like here, the basic currency is the first currency, the quote currency is the second currency. This is selling, this is buying. To buy, to another term, is to call long or bullish. To sell, to another term, you can call it as short or bearish. Then we have 2 important terminology that everyone supposed to know a deep. We have pip, we have lot size. This determine this one determine loss or profit of your trading. This one is a pip price, smallest price movement available in the currency. So hii namba ya mwisho manake hapa ni 79. Ikimove ikafika 80, that's 1 pip movement. Ikishuka kwa mfano tukasoma 78, this means kwamba ni 1 pip low. Kwa hiyo it can be 1 pip ahead or 1 pip beyond. Before I can explain this right, because this is important, kwa upande wa lot size tunasema kwamba ni percentage of your capital that is going to involve in trading. Kwa mfano, nichukulie mfano rahisi kwamba una 10,000, lakini kati ya ile 10,000 nataka uchukue 4,000 uende kuifanyia biashara ya kuuza nyanya, lakini ile faida itakapopatikana ije kwenye ile 10,000. Manake kwa mfano kama umepeleka 4,000 ukapata faida ya buku 2, manake itakuwa sio 10,000 tena, itakuwa 12,000. Kwa hiyo part ya 10,000 ambayo ni 4,000, tunachukua 4,000 gawanya kwa 10,000, tunazidisha kwa 100, ndio tunapata percentage of capital that involved in trading. Unaona? Kwa hiyo lot size ni percentage of your capital that is going to involve in trading. Not whole capital is going to be involved in trading, but part of it by setting your lot size. So standard lots will have 3 types of lot. We have standard lot, we have mini lot, and a micro lot. Standard lot starting from 1 to infinite. So if you set a standard lot which is 1, per pips movement is equal to $10. If you use a mini lot which is 0.1, per each pips movement you gain $1 or you lose $1 if you are in loss. And on micro lot size 0.01, per 1 pip movement is equal to 10 cents. In profit if you are in, if the trend is your friend, and 10 cent loss if you are against the trend. Market order, we have buy and sell order. So we have 2 types of order. We have buy and sell. Then we have order parameters, where we set a take profit and a stop loss and so on. So if you place the buy and you exit the trade with the profit, that is a take profit, and you want to exit with a loss because the trend is against you, then if you exit trade with a loss, that is a stop loss. Then you have 2 types of analysis. We have 2 types of analysis. The analysis means kuchakata data. Unapochakata data kuangalia taarifa za taifa husika, za kiuchumi, za kisiasa, au za aina yoyote ambazo zinaweza zikapelekea kushuka kwa thamani ya sarafu fulani, hiyo tunaita fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis is the way of looking market through economic, social and political forces that affect supply and demands. Tunaweza tukachukulia social forces, kwa mfano earthquake ikitokea ikasababisha madhara makubwa, sarafu nzima inaelekezwa kwenye kusaidia wenye majanga. Kwa hiyo maana yake kutakuwa na some issues ambazo zitapelekea supply na demand iweze kuwa unbalanced. Kwa hiyo watu watakuwa shocked, kiasi cha pesa ambacho kingeweza kuzunguka kufanya baadhi ya huduma, baadhi ya shughuli za kimaendeleo zitaenda kusaidia watu. Kwa kidogo sarafu itaweza kuwa thamani. Then we have technical analysis. We use charts, graphs, bar charts to analyze the previous market, present market to predict the future market. price action. What is a price action? Price action is a way of interpreting the historical data, which is the past history, the present, what is going on, to know where the market will move, kwamba soko litaelekea wapi, baada ya kuanalyze the previous market present to predict the future market. That what we call as a price action. Then we use chart to analyze the price, or we use chart to know where to place buy or sell. So first we have bar chart. This is how bar chart looks, and this is a Japanese candlestick. This is a Japanese candlestick chart that shows how, which is used by traders to analyze the market. Or you can use line graph to analyze the market. Then we have to know about Japanese candlestick. This is the candlestick. Candlestick, it used to show the close or open of the price, open and the close of the price. In a bullish candlestick, the price open low and the close at high. So this is the candlestick anatomy. In bearish is vice versa. The price open high and close low. The vice versa of the previous slides. The vice versa of this is the bearish candlestick. Then we have bearish anatomy candlestick, which is this one. So we open high, then we close low. If the price is moving from high to low, we expect that the price will close at low level. This is how bearish candlestick anatomy can appear in two different colors. Then we have buy and sell pressure. Buyer and sellers always they are in battle. Buyer and sellers muda wote wanakuwa kwenye ushindani. Anayeuza na anayenunua wanakuwa kwenye ushindani. Kwa kunakuwa na mvutano mkubwa. Kwa hiyo tunatumia candlestick structure kuweza kudetermine kwenye huo mvutano nani atakuwa mshindi. Kwa mfano, huu ni mvutano wa candlestick ya buy. Tumesema buy candlestick inafunguka chini alafu inakuja kufungia juu. Kwa hiyo means ilitakiwa ifungie juu lakini imefungia chini, ikionyesha kwamba sellers wamekuwa na nguvu. Kinyume chake ilikuwa ni hii hapa. Kwa hiyo you can read carefully and understand. Just I gave you hints. If it's a full candlestick, that means that a trend is strong. The momentum of the market is strong. For example, this green one is for buy candlestick. If you see the candle is full like this, that market means is in uptrend momentum. Uptrend momentum is high, and the vice versa of the downtrend. Buy and selling pressure. So to know the momentum of the market, we look on the structure of candlestick. Candlestick hizo nazoziona ni kwamba zinapungua kadri soko linavyoshuka. ikimaanisha kwamba soko linaelekea kugeuka. Unaweza kuona candlestick ni ndefu, candlesticks zinazidi kupungua kwa soko limegeuka. The same applied to buy. Big candlestick, somehow big candlestick, small candlestick. This signal that this area is resistance, so probably the market is going to downtrend. You can see right here the candle is decreasing here, so we expect this area is resistance zone. Candlestick works. This is a sell candlestick, which if the sell momentum could be stronger, these wicks couldn't appear here. This one. This means the buyer dominate the battle. The buyer dominate the battle, where we expect this candle to close around this region, but unfortunately it closes here, meaning that the buyers try to push the market upward, so the buyer are dominating the market. Vice versa of that is when the wicks appear longer to the bull candle. If the wicks appear longer at higher, it signifies that the sellers are dominating the market. Trends. We have two types of trend. Trend will have uptrend, downtrend, and lengthening trend, or consolidation, or sideways trend. If the movement, the previous high low does not touch the previous low, if the current high low does not touch the previous high low, that means, and that appeared 3 times, that means that trend is uptrend, and vice versa to the downtrend. If the low high, if the previous low high is greater than current low high and it appear more than 3 times, that trend is low, is downtrend. This is a sideway. If the resistance is spotted and the support is spotted, and unfortunately the price touches the support, touch the resistance, then come back to the support, come back to resistance, and repeat it 3 times, that means the trend is ranging, or the pair is in consolidation state. Then you can see in little chart how it appears. This is a resistance, this is a support. Then we have reversal and continuation. Reversal is when the market change the direction from upward to downward, then and vice versa of it. And the continuation is where the trend try to have a break a little bit if it was uptrend, and then continue in uptrend momentum. So it tries to pull back then continue. That is a continuation. The reversal is the term used to describe when the trend reverses direction from uptrend to downtrend. And you can see right here, this is a support. This is a support. So we buy at support, then we sell at resistance. Continuation, as I told you, that describe when a trend continue in direction but slow down or even pulls back a bit before continue. So it makes some breath before continue. That is a continuation. So it was in a downtrend, then it tries to buy a little bit, then continue selling. You will lead more. This is how continuation appear. The trend is down and try to move upward a little bit, then continue dropping upward a little bit, down, upward a little bit, down, upward a little bit, down, then upward a little, then continue. This is a continuation. Market swing. Market swing is the same applied as the continuation. This is how market swing appear. That this is upward swing. Previous high, current high. So this is a up trending swing. This is a downtrend swing. This is how swing appear or uptrend appear. This is how downtrend appear. Support and resistance. Support, we can say, is the floor of the house. Then resistance, we can say that is the selling board of the house. Then support is the lowest price, is the lowest point the price reaches before reversing, and the resistance is the high point where the price reaches before reversing. For example, if it's a house, look at the support as a floor and then resistance as a ceiling in your house. This is how you can interpret the difference between support and resistance. So floor, yani sakafu, ndo sawa na sakafu. Then resistance ni sawa sawa na selling board. Then you can see here, this is the support. This zone is the support. This zone is the resistance. So we sell at resistance and we buy at support. We buy at support and we sell at resistance. So we use higher time frame to support trends. Kwa hiyo unapotaka kujua trend ya pair fulani lazima tumie higher time frame. So at least 4 hours time frame chart and the daily time frame chart. Hivi ndio vinavyoweza kukusaidia wewe kujua trend. Kwenye kunakuwa na major resistance na major support. Kwa unapoangalia kwenye higher time frame, ignore those minor support and resistance, kwa sababu muda wote price ina break that minor support and resistance. So don't use minor support and resistance as a point of spotting your trading bias. For example, don't place sell to the minor resistance, and don't place buy to the minor support, because the price it will go beyond that. So try to fix your analysis to higher time frame so that you can spot the major resistance and major support. Chart pattern. Chart patterns at support, if you are a good observer at support, we form W formation at support, and that means signal uptrends, and vice versa. It forms M formation at resistance, which show that the trend is down. Then, for example, this one, it forms left shoulder and right shoulder. This is a head, but if you interpret the whole structure, it formed W. This is a W, and if it is W at support, it shows that that trend is uptrend, where we take buy position. Then we have double tops, double bottom. It touched the support 2 times, first and second. As the result, it formed W formation right here. So you can see this is a support. So if you place your buy order here at the breakout zone, you will make a profit when the price will move in up direction. So you need to have trend eye to know that this is first touch, this is the second touch. The price is going to move up, so you will place your order here. Then double tops is like M formation at resistance, so you will notice that the price try to touch first point, then come drop, then go up again, then drop again, then make a break of this minor support, where you can place your order here at second leg of M formation to continue with downward trend. It can be triple or top. The same applied will form W formation. Triple top, the same applied will form M formation. In fundamental analysis, you can download in your App Store or Play Store my FOREX book app or investing.com. So this is an application that you can use for fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis appear per each pair. For example, USD, there is NFP, which appear every Friday of each month. Then USD employment rate, which appear first Friday of each month. Then we have USD again interest rate, which appear every 2 months. Then we have GBP currency, where we have interest rate, which appear every 2 months. On GBP again, you have constructive purchasing management index, PMI, which appear every month. Then to GBP again, we have gross domestic product, GDP, which appear every 3 months. Then we have GBP again, which is PMI, which appear every month. Then you have your currency, where we have interest rate, which appear every 2 months. Trading plan. Kama unataka kupata faida in forex, lazima uwe na trading plan. You should have a trading plan. In other way we call a strategy. You should have a strategy that tell you that why I am buying here, why I am selling here. And you should have a risk management plan, where you have to know that every capital, according to pips movement for each pair, you supposed to know which lot size are you going to use according to your capital, according to pips movement per day of a specific pair. Then I think what you can do that, as I told you before, that you spot a trend at a higher time frame, then you drop at low time frame to spot the chart pattern where you can enter your trade. So you spot your trend at a higher time frame, then you drop at low time frame to make your entry points. I think at the end of my presentation, this was introduction for forex trading.